Okay, guys, I'm back, guys. Let's do this. Okay, like guys, we always look at the pairs that got a lot of cash. So today we're looking at pound Swiss franc. So what do you see on pound Swiss franc? Remember, guys, one thing all the time. I always say, market always talk to us. What we have to do is just to pay attention. So the first thing first, I always do. I just look at my supply zone there, because I call this in the important levels, like the strongest level. So which one is the nearest one? Okay, I'll pick this one up. Okay, and then I'll just place it like there. Okay, this is my demand zone at this moment, and we've got another demand zone which is on this level here. Right, this is where the market has been failing to break for quite some time now. Okay, so let's just see what we can get, and then let's see whether the price is going to push up or it's going to push down. So we just have to analyze it and see what we can get. Remember, it's the video analysis, guys. You just have to analyze and then see what you can get. So, like, always ask yourself, guys, what is the market doing right now? So what I see now, I see that, okay, we are on H4. So what do you see on H4? If we go to H1 after throwing those support, the supply and demand, when you go to H1, great. This is what I see on H1, guys. What I see on H1, I see that, okay, do you have any trend line on H1? Okay, remember, for you to draw a trend line, you just have to have like 4 bounces. So let me just check my 3 bounces, sorry, 3 bounces on H4. So this is my 3 bounces that my 3 bounces that I have before I can draw my trend line. Okay, so let's check how long it bounces there, it bounces there, it bounces here 3 times, and then we're expecting it to come and bounce here as well. So what we can say, guys, we can just simply say, okay, if price is doing this, then we do that. If the market do this, then we do that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we do this, guys. We just wanna go to lower time frame. Let's just select H1. So what do you see on H1? What you have to do now is just have to pull your Fibo from that high to that low, right? And we wait for price to touch at least 61.8 of your Fibo. Remember, every retracement should retrace to at least 61.8 to your Fibo. If it can just retrace into this level there, then we can sell it going down to this level there or even further down. But for my advice, guys, you just have to sell it here when price touch this level here, and then you're getting out here. Why do we get out here? Because we don't know what's going to happen when price reaches this demand zone here. So as for your stop loss, you can just hide your stop loss there, right? About that high there, the nearest high there. But if you want to hide it there, it's also fine. You can just hide it there. But the most important thing is the risk and reward. So here we'll be risking only this. But if you are pushing your stop loss a little bit higher for it to be safe, this is the safest one. You just push it there, and your take profit is also there. As you can see, guys, is even if with this stop loss is a 2:1 risk and reward ratio. So let's just quickly check, why are we selling there? Why are we selling? Number one, 61.8. We are selling. Number two, this impulse, right? This impulse, right? After every impulse, price should retest. So price retested with the impulse. You can't retest with the impulse. It has to do like a pattern before it retests. Look, this is the pattern. We call this one a bearish flag if you don't come across it. So this one will be a bearish flag. This one give you a signal to sell, right? Your entries will just get it where? You just get it on your 61.8 of your Fibo or on your order block. So how do you draw your order block? Let me just show you quickly how to draw your order block. Instead of using Fibo, you can just draw your order block here. You just take this bearish candle here, you draw it like that, right? Once you draw it like that, you know that once price touch that level, which is around 61.8, most of the time is correspond around 61.8, 50 and 61.8, right? It can push a little bit higher, right? Before it pushes all the way down to, before it can pushes all the way down to this level here, right? So as for your stop loss, again, I'll repeat, if your entry, your nice entry is here or is there, your stop loss, you just have to push it, at least put it below, about there or even about there, but you just have to hide it there or about there, and then you take profit. Make sure that a few pips before it reaches that demand zone, you're getting out, taking your money and run. So guys, this is a free signal, guys. This is not a free signal, like it's a simple signal, guys. It's full of confluences, it's full of what. But once it's completed, then we're gonna review it and then see what we can get another entry. So guys, from me, Bruce Lewis and SuperForex, we'll see you again next week.